So those of us out here who are making add-ons and exclusively in Blender, no. Blender, and there's definitely a little bit faster code because I changed a couple things that you'll never actually see, but it'll make your life easier. Let's take a look. Got a couple of cube primitives, and we'll get to that in just a minute, but check out this beautiful new UI. Just for you guys, I made it. Yep, you're welcome. Okay, so anyways, bevel joints right here. This is where you would normally grab your object, pick your target, click the button, and be done. So all you have to do is grab your active, grab the dropper, load that in, and click join mesh, and voila, you've got the same beautiful thing going on. Now you can close that up if you're done with the join operations. Don't forget there's a revert button in here, and you can open up the custom bevel controls. And when you want to do that, you want to bevel something after you've joined it, you can change the highlight color here and see where those active edges are, and just click edge attribute. From there, Shift F will give you some controls. You can add segments, very cool. Turn this on and off, and or delete it. Don't want to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that back on there. But let's do it with the vertex bevel instead, because this is almost the same exact thing. Now the cool thing is this will show up in the same menu right here, and I did just hyper click the Shift D button somehow. That was cool. I just really clicked that fast. Anyway, so right back to it. The vertex bevel is for everything Blender 4.2 and under. The edge attribute is everything Blender 4.3 and up. There'll be some checks in here, so if you're in Blender 4.3 or higher, it's automatically going to show that. If not, you're going to get a neat little warning thing that says, hey, this is not for Blender. It's in Blender 4.3 or greater. Great, so now there is a little cleanup bevel artifacts here. I don't know why I was just going in my country voice there. And all that is a merge by distance. If there's nothing bugging the system out there, then you're good. And that's all good. Now, we'll close up the bevel after join, and now you want to show bevel presets. Now for this one, I don't want the edge attribute on there, so I'm going to delete that off. And we have to have an active object, or that won't work. Great, so now what we can do is just click add bevel. And now we'll have the bevel levels pop up here, and I don't know if you notice or not, but this is just a little bit cleaner inside here. I brought the alignment down and in, so it's just a little bit easier. And I also put these on a row, so this will be a little bit easier, and you have your hardened normals and some other things in here, like show cavity, face orientation, which when you do turn it on, it's not going to show blue anymore in Blender 4.3 and higher. It's just going to show the red if the face is flipped. Can we actually do that? Yeah, I'll show you guys. If we flip one of these and then turn on face orientation, you can see the problem there. And there's just some mesh corrective things in there to help you guys out. Oops, file not saved. Well, you can go ahead and click this, add the parts, and save your file. Turn on statistics, and then you can add the B-box bevel. I've already shown that in a couple of other videos. So go ahead, guys, and check it out. And if you want this add-on, it is on Blender Market, and my goal is not to just come on here and sell things, but to make your life easier in the process, making add-ons that actually make sense and make your life go a little bit faster. So go check it out, click the link in the comments. If you guys want to see some different features in the Bevel Joints add-on, hit me up in the comments. I always respond unless you're being... and then I just don't respond to those things. I probably block you from the channel because this is going to be a positive environment. There's enough negativity in the world. See you guys in the next one.